Last time Foodspa was at Nagir Bazaar covering the special buffet at Noodle Oodle. The live did phenomenally well. So we thought about why not come back. And this time around, we're going to be shooting the special buffets which they have for weekdays as well as weekends. So we're really excited to try this out and show you guys what they have in store for us. So let's have the buffet spread over here for the weekday. So you have your salad, which is kimchi, as well as the chino salad. I think we'll be trying out a portion of each. It will be sent to us on the table. For soup, lemon coriander. We also have a non-veg manchow soup over here. I think what we'll do is we'll ask for a portion of this to be sent to us on the table. One portion manchow soup sent at the table, please. Alright guys, we have the first bits of the menu. So we have the salads over here. As well as the soup. Let's start with the lemon coriander soup. You were expecting my eyes to be closed, right? It's not happening. Alright, so we have the chino salad over here. It's got a lot of mustard. Then you have your flat noodles, chicken. And then you have kimchi salad. Very fresh. Okay, we have the manchow soup as well. So this is the second soup from the weekday. Chicken manchow soup. It's piping hot. So this is what you're getting for the weekday. Now on weekend, both the salads are the same, but the soups are going to be different. So what do we have over here?
Sweet corn soup, right? Hot and sour soup.
Hot and sour soup. So you have the sweet corn soup, as well as a piping hot and spicy hot and sour soup. Let's give both a taste. The consistency of the soup could have definitely been thicker, but what I want to check out more is the freshness of the vegetables which goes inside this. I love the fact that the corn is sweet. So perhaps they're using the American corn for this and not the ones which are locally available. And the carrots are crunchy, so no complaints here. Finally, the hot and spicy hot and sour soup with oodles of chicken and egg and vegetables. Just perfect for this winter lunch. Alright, so we have the crew for the day. Today, the videographer, the designated videographer is Aman, so it's a slight change. Let me know if you guys like his work after seeing this video. We have Shoptik, who is badgeless now. And we have Jeet for the first time on a vlog. Hi Jeet, what's up? Alright, so we're done with the initial bits. Now we're going to be having the starters. So we're having some corn. These are crispy wavy corn. If you guys are wondering why the buffets have not been refilled, now I personally prefer it this way because this ensures that the items which are there on the buffet are fresh. I don't want it to be filled till the brim because that is a sign that they are not keeping on refilling it every now and again. So I don't mind that. So this is the Kung Pao chicken, which is very popular over here, I'm told, by the locals. And then we have the Bang Bang chicken, which is basically chicken wings. Don't ask me where it gets its name from. Your guess is as good as mine. Starting with the baby corn. It's pretty fresh. The potato and barbecue sauce is really good. Next up, the famous Kung Pao chicken. And finally, you have the Bang Bang chicken. I've gotten a pretty big piece. Check this out, guys. It's all chicken, no coating. Huh? Starters from the weekend section now. So you have your veg pan fried dim sums, smoky chili baby corn. So this is not your crispy one, these are smoky. So these are tossed in red wine basically. I'm taking just one piece. Next up we have honey lemon chicken over here. Some fish in oyster sauce. The fish is fresh. The honey lemon chicken is really good. I really like this one. The dim sums too are pretty good. I like the fact that it's not very thick, the coating. So it's something which you would enjoy if you're a fan of pan fried veggie momos. It's a suggestion which we gave to the management of this restaurant and they gleefully accepted it. So since there is no drinks on this particular buffet, we suggested them that if you have the drinks option added on as an add-on, that'll be really nice. So what you're going to get is any of the drinks. I have a Cool Blue over here as well as a French Kiss over here. So any of these two drinks, if you're ordering by the glass, just by adding on 49 rupees more, you're getting one glass. And if you're adding on another 99, like a total of 99, you're going to get any one of the drink bottomless, which means it's going to be unlimited for you. I think that's a pretty good deal. If you take my suggestion, you should go with the French Kiss, because this has a little bit of an extra zing to it. So it's going to help you flush down whatever you're going to be eating in the buffet. So my recommendation would be this. Alright guys, on to the main courses. So we have a veg ginger pepper rice, chicken hakka noodles, as well as some chili garlic noodles. Now I tend to avoid chili garlic noodles because I find it very spicy, so I'm going to go very mellow with this. Some chicken in black bean sauce. I'm going to place this over here. Fish in hoisin sauce. This is too big for me. Hot garlic paneer, as well as some seasonal veggies in chili mustard. See how fast the Aditya group is. We suggested an idea and within the next course, the printout is ready. Now you're not going to see this, you're going to see a separate one once you enter, but pretty quick. I found the chicken to be slightly hard. I wanted it to be softer than this. But the fish and the mixed veg, these two are really good from the menu. So if you're trying out the weekday buffet, be sure that you keep some space in your tummy because you wouldn't want to miss the fish as well as the vegetables. Pretty good. Now it's worthwhile mentioning again that all the items which we are having, it's a buffet. One, it's not shareable. Let me just say it for the record. No buffet in this world is going to be shareable. But if you're coming, you can enjoy all the items in unlimited proportion. I have taken small portions because I don't like, one, eating too much, two, wasting food. And I wouldn't want any of the food spans watching to waste food either. So whenever you're coming, if you watch this video and you're coming to have buffet at any of this place, not just here, anywhere else, please only order how much you can eat. If you can eat more, you can order repeated, but at a time don't fill your plate too much to the brim. because it's going to be a waste. You will not enjoy eating it once it's cold. And yeah, please don't waste food. तुम लोग इसको clear करो बहुत ज़्यादा. Clear मतलब I was talking about the food, not the glass. We have the main courses ready from the weekend section. Since we are here, we have to show you guys both. Often people are blaming me nowadays that I get too excited and too focused on prawns, but it's not my fault. As you can see, when I'm here, somehow even I think the stars are working in such a way that it's there in the buffet itself. Alright, I thought to myself today, once the prawn is there, I will not even look at it. That's what I thought. Look at the size of this shrimp. Once again, I'm disappointed with the chicken. This is too hard. I don't know what's wrong. It might be an off day for them, but both the chicken items, be it the weekend or the weekday, this is too hard for my liking. But the paneer is pretty good. And the prawns, wow. Big or small, they've made this dish perfectly well. And it goes amazingly with the Szechuan garlic noodles. For the weekend customers who are coming, you're going to have a gala time. This tastes amazing. You're definitely going to enjoy this buffet. On to the desserts, guys. So we have the weekday desserts over here and the weekend desserts over here. So you have your apple fritters as well as darsan for weekdays. And for weekends, you have the darsan, which is continuing, as well as banana toffee. So let's start with the apple fritters first. Fresh, crispy, sugary darsans. Finally, the toffee. Wow, this one is really good. It's not oversweet. None of the desserts over here are oversweet. This one is very unique and really nice.
Hi. Hi.
Thank you for having us over.
Thank you for coming.
Okay, tell us a little bit about what are we doing here? What is special this
So
time?
basically, we had a really high demand from all the people and all the public. You know, I mean, we kept getting queries even during the lockdown. There were a lot of queries regarding when we are coming up with the buffet again. So yeah, I mean, we are starting it again, and hopefully all our loyal customers will all come back and enjoy the food here. The pandemic has been tough. It's been really tough, you know, making sure that everything is still running and we keep the quality and everything in check, and taking care of the sanitary measures and everything that needs to be done. The safety measures and everything also, all that also we are following. So hopefully it will be a good experience when they come back. Coming up with the QSR outlets, so we've got plans of doing 10 QSRs in this year. We've opened one in New Alipur last month, and next month we are coming up in Access Mall, and then we'll keep coming up with outlets throughout this. We've got plans of coming to the south also, and hopefully, you know, everyone will like the food and enjoy the food, Chinese food. Brilliant job that you all are doing. Thank you so much.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you.